Iguana.
So the Iguana sisters are here again. All they do is have these tiny little lizard things. I don't know. They like talk to them and they can't talk back. So I'm pretty sure they're just generally dumb. I'm kind of sick of it. I just want to do the copies that the boss asked me to do and just get on with my take because it's been long. It's just long.
Samantha.
Adorable!
You know what would be adorable? If you guys moved and so I could do my job. Be cute.
What do you mean? What do you say? Are you criticizing your iguanas? Like, why would you say that?
Heavens, yes. I am. They are stupid.
Look at Ralph's face. How could you? Samantha.
Oh, I don't care.
Iggy and I don't have to put up with this.
Yeah.
Iggy.
Ralph and I.
Iggy. Iggy. Like Iguana. Iggy. What? Come on, put some creativity in it. Maybe like scaly.
You'll never guess what I did. What? I ordered 13 chickens.
13.
Yeah. I was gonna call you about it, but then I decided just to run over here.
I'm glad you did. No. Friends, right?
Well, the thing is, I decided to befriend one of the chickens instead. Well, like, I can only invite people that I call my phone. It's like my circle thing from 2000. And I didn't take it on my circle. The chickens had such inspiring conversations. I mean, no one has ever said, "Bark, bark, bark," to me before. And I just, to be honest, the first time I heard that, I broke out in tears. But, I mean, it's real bad sisters out here. I'm not sure how I can break the news. You're out of my mind! I don't know what came over me.
I feel like I can do so much more.
Look, I can't. I need them in my life. And look, I need like a constellation prize or something. Lemon-scented moist towel.
Nothing can regain what was once lost.
I knew this was gonna happen. You're gonna curl up into a tiny ball of sadness and make me feel better. I'm gonna take you and put you back in my top line and never have philosophical conversations with chickens. You're ruining my life!
You know, it's like surprisingly common for people to have deeper relationships with birds and reptiles than with other human beings, okay? It's like hard for me to even talk to you right now, okay? So I formed this support group in the first place. So we can get our feelings and stay put.
So I'm an iguana, and I'm just here because I heard that I had a chance with the Iguana sisters.
So I watched the tail set shake.
I'm Victoria. Hi.
Hi.
How would you like to be my new iguana?
Yeah, I'm scaly.
Hi, Scaly. Do you want to have
chickens and iguanas, and it's not starting to feel like an office. It's starting to feel more like a zoo. I hate working here.
We've had a bit of a overinfestation of iguanas.
I'm not doing